Right, it's another special day for the Yukim family. We're off to Iriga for a christening.
And then fiesta.
And then fiesta. And of course there'll be lots of food and lots of drinking. So I'll have to try and avoid the temptation. The kids are really excited, aren't you, Mel?
Yeah. We have a service bus.
She didn't hear that. You are, babe? Service mass.
Bus.
Oh, bus.
No.
I don't know what's wrong with my hearing. I'm sorry, I can't hear nothing. So the usual suspects are coming. Agnes. Hello, Agnes. And it's mostly kids, really. It's all Yukim family, apart from Agnes. She is family, very good family, but she's not blood related family. There's lots of beautiful little kids. Look at Agti, isn't she beautiful? And there's two beautiful young ladies here, look. One trying to avoid the camera. Right, I was going to do another video on the house, but unfortunately, come Thursday, the main builder turned around and says, I'm not coming tomorrow. Now, being it was Friday, he wasn't coming, meant he wasn't coming Saturday, Sunday either. He said he'd come back Monday, and of course Monday come and no builder. So he's turned up today, which is Tuesday. So there isn't a lot more to show you, so I'm going to refrain from doing a video on the house until there's actually some more progress to show you. I've had loads of really encouraging comments on the house and the upgrade and what have you, and they've been really positive, and you know, well, I've really been happy with them, put it that way. Now I'm also getting a few comments which I've left on because, you know, they're not being nasty, but they're saying, what do you expect from your builders when you're only paying them 400 pesos per day and 300 pesos for a labourer? That's the going rate here in Naga. You know, that's what builders get paid. They don't expect to be paid any more. Now, had my builder turned out to be very reliable, really, you know, spot on with the work, I mean, I'm not saying the work's not good he's doing, it is, it's acceptable, I'm happy with it, then I may have paid them more. But I also said to them, well, said to the main builder, if you don't let me down and you do a really good job, you'll get a bonus at the end of it. And I'm true to my word. If I say something, I'll do it. Unfortunately, he's keep letting me down, and like I say, his work's okay. So the chances of him getting a bonus unless things get better is pretty nil, to be quite honest. So anyway, these comments are, well, would you work for 400 pesos a day? No, I wouldn't. But of course I'm in the Philippines and I don't need to work. We can manage on what we've got, can't we, babe? But really, for the first time the other day, Mel got really upset in the house, and I've never seen her upset before like that, because there was no progress, and it was basically after they did the roof in the kitchen part, near the kitchen. Even Mel saw that was no good, and she could see I was getting stressed and that was upsetting her. So anyway, we'll get off that note. So tomorrow I'll do an upgrade, because there should be a lot of progress with the house. So I'm looking forward to today. It's going to be really relaxing. But my god, the sun is so hot, isn't it? I didn't realise my arms got burnt. I've got a red nose where my nose has got burnt. You know, the biggest thing on my face gets burnt first, obviously. So
Are you excited to drink buko?
to drink buko, yeah. They always go and get me some fresh coconut, don't they? So we'll see how things are, if they've changed much, if anything at all. So see you all later.
The bus is coming.
a bus has been hired for us to go to Iriga. And the family of the one who's having the christening is the one that's paid for it. You can see it's mainly kids, and there's loads of room as well. Well, that's not very nice, is it? Mel's kicking her auntie to another seat. So we had to come here for the bus because he didn't want to go down that street. But even so, large vehicles aren't allowed to go down there, so. But he didn't know that. So that's it till we get to Iriga. This is new, these gates are new, aren't they?
And then charger for the phone.
Your baby?
Somebody's stayed.
Where from?
The bus.
You're joking?
There's a three guy there, right?
Oh, that got on the bus. I don't know, they'll steal anything here, won't they? So you probably remember this place from, I've done 2 videos here. Smile. That's better. I've done 2 videos here. And this is Mel's sister's husband's family. And every time they invite us here, hey, they spend a lot of money on food and alcohol and just giving the family a really good day, basically. I've always tried to figure out how they make the money, but they don't want to tell me. Excuse me. But it's every time something happens, it's on a grand scale. Hello, beautiful.
Mommy, Daddy, I'm here in Iriga. Hello.
So this is all their land, all the way up to the field. So I don't know how much it is in square meters, but there's a lot. One of the families building a house here. He works abroad, and every time he comes back he upgrades it a little bit more. Well, builds it a little bit more, not upgrades it. Oh look, we've got beer. Lovely. And that's the gin with what's in that? Pa, what's in the gin?
So gin and then Mountain Dew din.
Mountain Dew, that's it. That's it. See, they're forcing Pa to drink. He won't drink. He just drinks so he doesn't offend anybody. Hey! Hey! So I'm hoping to get some fresh buku. I'll try and talk them into it. Your baby? Yeah, the guy who gets it isn't here, is he? Not seeing him.
So banana.
Yeah. There's lots of banana trees and even more coconut trees, isn't there? So you know, guys, you come here and if you want to live like you live in the West, fine, you know, go to Manila or somewhere like that. But out in the provinces, you meet a girl and chances are they come from somewhere like this. So let's have a look. Happy christening. Is the 3 being christened today? 3 kids.
No, this one lang. It's so, that is also same picture.
Oh, is it the same baby? Shows how much I know, right?
Look.
Ah, we've got a chocolate fountain there. Very nice.
Like that.
My favourite.
This is for for later. This one for the.
Is it for the kids though?
Yes, of course.
It's for the kids. Well, I'm a big kid, so save me some. Why is your brother-in-law looking so serious?
Because that one is broke.
Oh, yeah. So we've got a number of cakes which look very nice. Yeah. And this one. I'll turn this one round without destroying it. There you go. Very cute. So this is your sister's christening, isn't it? Her baby. I thought there was 3. It's the same baby. Will there be more? Will there be more people coming? Yeah, there is.
Later.
What? Yeah.
Some of them it's in the church now.
Right. Oh, so the church is going off at the minute. Right. So we'll see a lot more activity, karaoke, of course, which is obligatory at all these get-togethers. Oh well, if they can steal banana, I can.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping